so here you go.
Is it on?
It's on. You should learn this. Hi.
Okay, so we changed this whole nonsense to nothing. Well, to not that sounds. To a dance called this. So we go. We all open 5. If you're on the left side, you go 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're in the middle, you go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're on that side, you use your right hand and you go 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Awesome. And then stop practicing independent because it's not in there anymore. You can stop it.